official GO sanctioning an amount of 550 crores, ma'am. In my letter to you, I am sending in a copy of the GO also. This is GO 272 dated 19th October. Now, after that, what happens, ma'am, anytime in a national calamity anywhere in the country, or even as per what central government does, or agriculture crop laws, the official bureaucracy enumerates the people who have lost and makes out a list, and then checks are given to, even in a crop loss, even to 100 rupees, it is given by check, ma'am. It is never done that government money is distributed in cash in big numbers. It's and especially if you notice the principle of demonetization of anything else, it is not to handle cash. It is surprising that out of 550 crores, this government drew 387 crores in cash, which is unprecedented in independent India, ma'am. The same government, for COVID-19 relief, for 1500 rupees per family for poor families, they have given by check, by bank transfer, 1500 rupees. Now 10,000 rupees per family. They have no legality, they have no justification. They drew cash and distributed the money through TRS party cadres. And we can give you many proof where TRS party cadres were giving 10,000 to a family and taking 5,000 from behind. And they were distributing with pink canvas and as if it is a party program. Ma'am, I've also been a 5-term MLA and an MP now, 6 terms I won continuously. I have never seen such brazen, behavior by any ruling party so far. In many instances, the ground floor has not got the money, the first floor has not got, the third floor and fourth floor have got, ma'am. In many instances, people who came from Bangalore and were visitors to a house, they got the money, and people who are staying here did not get the money, ma'am. And we have after that made out lists. For example, in Circle 12, we made out a list of additional 15,000 people who have to get relief. They are not responding. In West Zone, we made out a list of 10,000 people affected by floods. They are not getting relief. And it appears, it's very unfortunate that I have to say this, it appears that the TRS party is trying to buy votes for the GHMC elections with public money. And we appeal to you, ma'am. We have seen you, you are a very fair person, and you have always been maintaining the highest morals and values in public life. This, in brazen daylight in a state capital, if they distribute 387 crores by cash without enumerating, and it is a bribery, it is corruption, it is for commission's sake they are doing. So on 2 grounds, ma'am. 1, I think you should order an inquiry on the basis of the letter we are sending you. 2, I think it is a question that you must seriously question the government on this practice, because while all of us are in politics, there at least a minimum standards the government is to maintain, ma'am. I must also tell you, as the head of the principal opposition party, the chief minister and the chief secretary don't give us an appointment and don't even come online. And in that sense, I'm really grateful. At least you have, at least heard our grievance on behalf of the public, ma'am.
Yes, a lot of became positive, and
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just one. I'll just take 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just take 1 minute, ma'am. So Vishweshwar Reddy was an MP from this area. He is a very well-known person, Konda Vishweshwar Reddy. He will speak for 1 minute on this experience of flood relief scam, ma'am. Just 1 minute, ma'am.
Madam, Vanakkam, madam. So, madam, my senior judiciary, former retired chief justice and all, I consulted, and they say that the way it was done is absolutely illegal. And 2 points, madam. Number 1 is, it is not only the senior judiciary advised me, they also advised TRS party. So they realized the mistake and stopped the program on 31st. And now they reintroduced the program, they started distributing again. For 5 days they stopped it. which means they also accept the mistake. The problem is they are not giving us the GO. We have managed to get the GO. The new GO we are not.
List they are not giving us.
The list they are not giving us.
Verification.
So this, we have several objections. Uttam Kumar Reddy garu covered everything, but the central government funds also came for this, and the central government funds also are distributed in nook and corner, but in Hyderabad we don't know. And secondly, madam, everybody knows that Shamshabad is part of Hyderabad city, Manikonda is part of Hyderabad city. There they are not giving even a single paisa because there is no election, GHMC elections there. So they are using it primarily for GHMC elections. Now about the first thing, madam, that they changed they themselves realized they have done a mistake and now they are correcting it. But the current correction will not absolve them of the past mistake. So, so the cash notes, madam, it will really be good for the nation to set an example that such things cannot happen by any regional party running a state as their own private fiefdom, madam. So your help will be very, your intervention will be very required, madam, in this case. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, ma'am. Ma'am, basically about this cash distribution, even from the, as a representative of the President of India and central government, you would realize that it's a very major flaw. So I think a high-level inquiry would be in order, ma'am.
Subscribe us and press the bell icon for more interesting updates.